guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing right here. So I'm going to share with you guys what my stylist sent me this month. So if you guys are new to Stitch Fix is a styling service. You fill out a quiz, you pick out your preferences on areas you want to conceal, areas you want to highlight, and you have a stylist that goes in and pulls clothes specifically for you. They mail them to your doorstep, and there is a return label, so anything that you don't want to keep, you just go ahead and send it back to them. And then they have a discount program to where if you buy everything that's in your box, then you get a pretty hefty discount, so it's 25% off. So my biggest feedback when it comes to Stitch Fix videos is the cost of the items in the box. Now, I will agree with you, Stitch Fix, they have pricier items. However, the quality of the items are great. I've had Stitch Fix pieces in my closet that I've had for almost 2 years now, and my Stitch Fix pieces are the pieces I grab for every single time I'm heading into my closet, seeing what I want to pick out to wear. So in terms of the quality, I think that it's great. So it's a little bit more pricey, but these are items that are going to be, well, specifically me speaking, these items are staples in my closet, so I don't mind paying a little bit more for a quality item that I'm going to be able to wear season after season. So that's how I justify the Stitch Fix prices, and they have a really nice referral program. So if you sign up with my link, then you get $25 free to try the box out. And then I get $25 as well. So if you share your link, if you share with your friends, your family, share it on Facebook, share it on Pinterest, then you guys can start earning that credit. And that can help pay for some of the pieces in your boxes. So for those who use my link, thank you so much. So Stitch Fix is actually offering a $50 credit when you sign up for your first fix. So when you use the link below in my description box, then you're going to get yourself a $50 once you sign up for your fix. So how you get the credit is you fill out your style profile, you need to schedule your fix, and then once your fix ships, then that is when your credit will land into your account. So if you want that credit immediately, then sign up for the earliest scheduled fix date. So just use the link below. It's super simple to fill the survey out and get yourself $50 free, you guys. This is an awesome deal because normally it is $25. So if you've been on the fence, if you wanted to try this service out or not, you can get $50. So great, great deal. And now we're just going to go ahead and get into it. So first thing I want to mention to you guys is whenever you're getting any type of service, whether if it's Stitch Fix or ThreadUp or whatever it is, when you are sending your stuff back, very important, take the time to go to a mail center, take the time to go to your post office and get a return receipt, because you don't want to be held responsible for the items in the box if it gets lost in transit back to their warehouse. Make sure that you are tracking that. And if you are getting your stuff delivered to, say, a residential area, make sure you kind of keep track of when the item's going to be delivered, because it's been like a thing where people will like swipe packages in my neighborhood anyways. So be very careful when it comes to your items in the box, because you never know if someone's going to come and swipe your package, because that's like a whole new thing now. So I just wanted to give you that tip as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start with you guys. So every month you're going to get a styling card, so it's going to give you some ideas on how to style your pieces that are in your box. I specifically requested shoes. I wanted to do an all shoe fix, but I guess Stitch Fix won't send all shoes, which is fine. So I'm going to go ahead and read the note from my stylist. So my stylist's name is Emily, and she said, "Hi Gina, I am so happy to be styling you for today. I'm so sorry to see that your last box didn't quite fit your style, but I'm also really glad that you love the dress that she sent. Have you had a chance to wear it out yet? It's such a stunning look for styling up or down. I received your note. Unfortunately, they can't send all shoe fixes. I did, however, find 2 fabulous pairs to send your way. These comfortable toms are a great casual option, and you will love these soft blue, violet, and red flats. Add to jeans and wear with this brightly colored Kaylee top. I love the Kaylee brand. When headed out on a date night, enjoy this fix. I'll be looking forward to your feedback. Also be sure to let me know what else you need for it next time." Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into it. So the first thing in here, when I looked at the preview, because anytime I get the notification that my box has been shipped, I always go to the checkout option to see what's in my box. I always peek. And the first thing in there was some denim shorts, and I was like, denim shorts I have a really hard time with. But these are the shorts and they look very promising. So this is the Level 99 Tinley Distressed Cuff Shorts. So there's just a very minimal amount of distressing on the shorts right there. And then the back, there's no distressing, which I like. And there's a cute little cuff as well. But what I love the most about these is that these are not super short and they're very stretchy. So I am confident that these are going to fit me. I always size up when it comes to shorts. So I got those in a size 10. Let's see. And then this is the Kaylee top, and it is this mustardy yellow color with some florals on it. And I absolutely love this for the spring and the summertime. It has a little bit of a high-low detail. So I've been seeing a lot of this color floating around. So this is really pretty. So again, this is the Kylie Rosano V top. So I absolutely love this. And the next thing in here is the Stockatoo Madeline Roll Tab Knit top. And this is in a size medium. So it has some black and white stripes. The sleeve is navy and it has some button details as well. Not a fan of this top, so we'll see. I do like the material. It's very bouncy and very soft, so we will see about that. And then the next thing are the shoes. So the first thing are the Toms. So the first pair of shoes I got are the Toms Cabrillo Canvas lace-up sneakers. So these are in a size 8 and they are a gray color. I didn't even know that Toms made sneakers, so that's cool. And I love that with every pair you purchase, Toms will give a pair of new shoes to a child in need, 1 for 1. So with me purchasing these shoes, then 1 will be donated. So I love that, and I'm always in need of sneakers because I'm a mom, so this is like a staple in my shoe collection. So I love those. And then the next one are the flats. So these are the red and violet ballet flat in light blue, and these are in a size 8. So these are what the flats look like, and I actually pinned a pair of flats and shared with my stylist. They were pink, but she kind of got the idea of what I was going for, so these are the flats. So now let's go ahead and try everything on. All right, you guys, so this is the Kaylee top on, and as I mentioned, it is a high-low back, and then the shorts fit really well. So I have a really hard time finding denim shorts specifically because I carry a lot of my weight in my thighs and my butt. So these fit me absolutely perfectly, and they are not super short. And then I also have the shoes on as well, and I really do like these Toms sneakers because there's a lot of support on the, so there's a lot of support in the sole, which I appreciate, and it looks like Scarlett wrote her name on my mirror. I guess that's me getting a hint that I need to clean my mirror, but so this is the first outfit, so I really like it. All right, so I went ahead and put the flats on with this outfit as well, and I think these powder blue flats will go really well with the top. So I could even wear this as a full outfit as well. So far, they fit my feet really well. So I think that these are super cute, and I could pair it with a lot of other things in my closet. The only thing that I'm thinking, they might rub in the back and give me some blisters. So I'm gonna have to think about these right here. So let me know what you guys think of these shoes. All right, so this is the black and white striped top with the navy sleeves. And if I'm being honest with you guys, I am not a fan of this shirt. I just don't like the baseball tee style. I'm not a fan of the brown mixed in with the navy, so I'm not a fan of it. It has that little high-low in the back, but I am not crazy over this shirt. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think of this one. All right, you guys, so now let's go ahead and get into the pricing. So the violet and red violet ballet flats, these are $49. So after trying them on, I know that they are going to give the back of my feet some blisters. So I love them, but I don't think that they're going to be practical for me because when I'm walking around, I want to be comfortable, and the no-show socks that I have, they're going to show through that. So I'm definitely going to pass on those. However, the Tom's sneakers, I really like these. So the Tom's sneakers are $75. So they're pretty expensive for tennis shoes, but I love the sole of them. I usually wear the white tennis shoes from Target. They're like 15 bucks, but there is no support in the sole. So when I'm walking around all day places, my feet hurt. So these have a really nice supported sole, and I'm always in need of sneakers when it comes to doing what I do on a daily basis as a mom. So I absolutely am gonna keep these, and I like the gray color as well because I don't have any gray sneakers in my closet. So these are gonna be a keep for me because it's a practical purchase for me, and I also love that they're not like super white, so they're not gonna get dirty as easily. So the next thing are the Level 99 Tinley Distressed Cuffed Shorts, and these are in size 10, and these are $68. Now, these fit me really well, and before you guys tell me, why don't you just go to Old Navy? I can't do Old Navy pants. I can't do Old Navy shorts. They just do not fit me well. So I've tried all of their pants and shorts. They don't work for me. So I really do love these shorts. What I'm gonna do first is check out my local Madewell first, because Madewell pants are pants that fit me perfectly like butter. So I'm gonna check Madewell first to see if I like a pair there more. But these are definitely gonna be in my keep pile until I get over to Madewell. And if you need a chance to extend your checkout, all you need to do is go into your account and do extend checkout. So if you want some more time to think about it, you can. So this next top is one that I was not a fan of, and it's the Staccato Madeline Roll Tab Knit Top. So yeah, I was not a fan of this, and it is $48, and I would not pay $48 for like a basic tee like this, especially one that I don't love. So that's gonna go back. And then the next thing is the Kaylee Rossano V-neck top in mustard, and this is a size medium, and this top is $36. So this is a really reasonable priced item. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this. My husband likes this top as well. So this is going to be a keep for me. So the only thing that I'm wishy-washy on are the shorts, but I think that I probably will end up keeping them. So if I was to keep everything in the box, the total was $276, but then there's a $69 discount. So it would make everything $187 for everything. So I don't think I'm gonna keep everything. Yeah, we'll see. Comment below the pieces that you think that I should be keeping. And then also there is a $20 styling fee every box, unless you have the style pass, and if you have a style pass, and it's free. So you want to at least buy one thing out of your box, otherwise you're going to completely lose that credit. So yeah, this is everything that I have in my Stitch Fix box for this month. So don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and if you're at all interested in trying out Stitch Fix, again, I'll have that link below in the description box. So just a reminder, you're going to get a $50 credit when you sign up for your first fix, you guys. So great deal. It's worth the while to sign up and try it. You can cancel if you want. You could skip months. You choose when you want to have your fix. So yeah, this is everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.